Hi guys, my name is Jenny. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Today I will be walking you through my do-it-yourself butterfly mug glass painting kit. This kit is available in my Etsy shop, linked in the description notes below. Each kit arrives with instructions, one glass mug with a pre-printed outline, 3 colors of water-based translucent glass paint, and 1 paintbrush. Let's begin by setting up your workspace. Find a flat, clean space to set up your supplies. Lay out your glass mug, paintbrush, and glass paints. Fill up a cup of water for cleaning your brush, and have several paper towels ready for wiping up any messes. Time to paint. Open up your green paint and dip your dry paintbrush into the cup. A little goes a long way. Glass paint can be runny, so only use a little bit. Begin by filling in the center, oval, and circular parts of the butterfly wings by dabbing and pulling the paint. Take your time. When you are done painting, clean your brush in the water cup. Dry thoroughly with a paper towel before moving on to the next step. For this step, you will need your paintbrush in the light pink paint color. You will repeat the same steps as before when filling in the areas of the butterfly wings with the light pink paint. When you are done painting, clean your brush in the water cup. Dry thoroughly with a paper towel. Next, open your blue paint. Fill in the rest of the butterfly wing with the blue paint. When you are done, clean your brush in the water cup. Dry thoroughly with a paper towel. Now that you are finished painting, allow the glass paint to dry for at least 24 hours. After drying for at least 24 hours, place the painted glass onto a baking sheet and place inside a cold oven. Turn your oven on to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, turn off the oven and allow the glass to cool down inside the oven. Now that you have created your own beautiful and functional artwork, it's time to enjoy a delicious beverage. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe for more.